Hello, my 3D printer peeps. Hello, Bambulab users. I'm sitting here with the Bambulab X1C, and today we are going to replace the filament runout sensor and the PTFE tube coupler. Both of these components are in the same assembly attached to the extruder. Let's get started. Before working with the tool head or hot end, it's a good idea to retract the filament. Simply touch the filament icon, choose the filament you have loaded, and touch Unload. That will heat the hot end and retract the filament from the tool head. It's likely there is still filament in your nozzle. That's okay, you may proceed. Be careful when removing the tool head. Unlike the P1 series, the connector for this tool head is on the inside of the cover, not the circuit board. The tool head is magnetic. Simply pull it forward. You may rest the tool head on the bars. This presents us with the extruder, the hot end, the filament sensor, and the cutter. This here is the filament sensor. This here is the filament sensor cable. Go ahead and pop this off. Be careful and be gentle. There might be some rubber glue on it. With that cable off, we are going to remove this screw and this screw. The filament runout sensor also has the PTFE coupler. Therefore, if the PTFE coupler is no longer holding this PTFE tube properly, you will replace this sensor. To remove this coupler, simply pull down on this plastic fitting, pinch the coupler, and remove it. Removing the PTFE tube without pushing down on this assembly, depressing this ring, will damage this coupler. Remove this screw and this screw. With those screws removed, the filament sensor can be pushed out of place and removed. It looks like this. To install the new sensor, gently angle it into place and slide it in. Reconnect these two screws. Reconnect the cable. Depress the PTFE tube into the slot one time. Do not pull test it. And replace the tool head by using the magnets to click it into place. And there you have it. We have successfully replaced our X1C filament runout sensor and PTFE tube coupler. I'm Mr. Greg, this is the X1C, and you're on 3D Rundown.